You don't normally chew a beverage.
Right, but for Sumi,
right.
I think she's addicted already.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Look at
Thank you for
that.
asking me.
Look at your bling.
I love bubble tea.
You love it? You had it back in Japan?
Oh, in Japan, actually we do, but I'm from countryside.
Okay.
So they don't, looks like bubble milk tea, but it's different. The bubble is actually, it's got color and very small and little like gummy like taste. Oh, I don't really like it, but in Taiwan, I bought a cup of bubble tea and I was really flabbergasted because it's very big.
Like,
And to see the bubble, it's like so like bunch of bubble in it.
Yeah.
And it tastes really, really good. And you can add anything like pudding or like grass jelly or like
Right.
whatever you want.
Right.
Oh my God, I'm having it every day, like literally.
it's good that you're still really skinny.
Thank God. Yeah.
What's your choice of sugar? Half or less or more?
When I'm tired, full.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Same, right? I am
Really?
full of 100%
Yes.
sugar lady.
I know I am too.
Yeah.
Well, they're
Yes.
both so sweet.
Yeah.
That makes sense. Oh, what's this?
In Japan, there's a 2018, like bubble milk tea is really, really super popular. We create a word, tapiru. Have you heard about it?
No.
Tapiru. Yeah. The meaning is to drink bubble tea.
To drink bubble tea.
Yeah.
Wow.
So something like, are we gonna tapiru?
I know taperu.
Yeah, taberu. No, taberu is to eat. Right?
Right.
Tapiru is to drink bubble tea.
Because you're kind of chewing it too, right?
Yeah.
so
We create a
cute.
word, and we love it so much that we even mix like tapioca and beer,
Really?
and tapioca and ramen, tapioca and white rice.
No.
Yeah.
No.
I know, sounds great.
But it's in
Really
character
creepy,
with
right?
Japanese like cuisine and culture. They really push the envelope on
No,
certain things.
it's like
Yes.
putting pineapple on pizza to Italians.
Sure, exactly,
Or
exactly.
Taiwan, I'm sorry, Taiwanese, we have boba pizza.
What? No.
That's all
We
right.
had boba
That's
tea.
all right.
We had
You had it, it was all right?
Yeah, try that.
You guys are crazy, Tang. You've tried it?
Yeah, I like it.
Culture shock. Culture shock. Yes, culture
You don't have
shock.
to travel, but you can have it right at home.
Right, but Sumi, ramen.
Yeah.
Boba ramen,
Yeah,
beer.
and beer. Yeah, we drink like this too.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
and also like white rice with bubble milk tea.
No.
We cook it. Yeah.
Sounds so scary.
That sounds very odd.
I know it's crazy, but
If
nice.
if Sumi someday treats you a meal of
A boba feast?
feast, we have to be polite.
Yeah, we have to say,
You're welcome.